Rob Frazier here. Perpetual traffic plan. Day 7. Most important day, in my opinion. This right here. Obviously, the things that I'm sharing within the perpetual traffic plan are all a part of a whole, if you ask me. Number one, we are affiliate marketers, and there's no limit to the amount of programs that we can be an affiliate marketer for. And in my case, with this perpetual traffic plan, these are all of the programs that I'm in, why I like them, how I use them to create more traffic, basically how I use them to earn more traffic, to turn that traffic that I earn into traffic that I own. And if you paid attention to Perpetual Traffic Plan Day 6 and actually got the books written by Russell Brunson, especially Traffic Secrets, you would know exactly what I'm talking about there. The whole point of putting out content videos like this is to earn more traffic, and then when people come in to my world, they opt in, they get on my email list, that's now traffic that I own, and you want to do the same thing for yourself. So getting into day 7, mindset. It is extremely difficult sometimes. I'm just going to be honest. Affiliate marketing is not always easy and hunky-dory, and you're just going to be earning $1,000 commissions every single day like clockwork. It would be nice, however, that's just not real life. It ebbs and flows. I've made about 6 figures a year since 2015. I started back in 2010, and it took me 5 years of just figuring it out and sticking it out and committing before I figured out a few things. And once I figured out a few things, it got a lot easier than I had my breakout year in 2015. But all of that being said, if my mind wasn't in the right spot, I would have never survived those 5 years, and I would have never survived the past five years. We're in 2021 now. I've been full-time since 2015. But in those 6 years, I guess I should say, have had ups and downs as well. So when you're not making any money, it's extremely frustrating. And then when you finally have your breakout year, things are good. But at the same time, you have to keep the money coming in. And it's so many different things that I feel a lot of people don't talk about on the surface. Was when I first started, yeah, I'm not making money, and I just wanted to get to $1,000, $2,000 a week. That's all I ever wanted. Once I hit $2,000 a week, I'm straight. But when you get to $2,000 a week and you realize you have to pay taxes, you have to manage your team, you have to help people, you have to just things happen. You know, people quit. People join other programs. People will come work with you for a while. People will go away. Programs crash. Company owners go away. Company owners scam you. You know, different things like that. So it helps to really work on your mindset, because once you understand that, you'll be able to survive and go through all the ebbs and flows. Because when it's good, it is good. And when it's bad, it's still good, because you're learning different skills that can go with you for a lifetime. And you know, I'm just speaking from a guy who's done this for the past 11 years, and the past six years have been doing this full time, and just different things that I've been through. And working on your mindset is absolutely key, critical, because if not, I would have been out of the game a long time ago. So that being said, what really helps me is going back to the basics. There's a program. All of these pieces that I'm introducing here are part of a program called Discover Heal, or you can just simply call it Heal for short. They have the 3 products I'm going to focus on today in this video. Bulletproof, which is obviously a mindset product. There is another one called 7 Ways to Win, which also is a mindset product. However, I feel it's a little bit more of sharing what it takes to make affiliate marketing work, if that makes sense. Bulletproof is just more so focused on your mindset, how to get traffic on the internet, how to convert that traffic, and how to keep yourself positive so you can convert enough traffic. Because if you get a little bit of traffic and one person joins, great. But you have to have the mindset to keep on going. You get a little bit more traffic and no one joins. Get a little bit more traffic, no one joins. Get a little bit of traffic, 5 people join. That's just how it works. So if I would have quit a long time ago, I would have never made it to this point, if that makes sense. So the Bulletproof mindset really focuses on it's a one-time product purchase as well. It's like $9.95, $10. 7 Ways to Win is $7 or $8. I forget what it was. It's been so long ago. Both of these are one-time payments. My suggestion to folks, if you're looking at Heal, just either buy the Bulletproof or buy the 7 Ways to Win, or buy them both, and just go through the products. And then after you do that, then you can make a decision about becoming a Heal VIP, which is the third product that I'm going to chat about as well. They recently overhauled their whole VIP product. And so what they've done was they kind of broken it down to like its own virtual onboarding session. So when people come in, you don't have to be the one that's training them, stressing yourself out. You have the onboarding section here to do that. So once they decide to become a Heal VIP, one of the products you get with being a Heal VIP is 6 steps to 6 figures. And this is the actual piece of the Heal VIP product that I wanted to share. So the 3 products, you got Bulletproof, you got the 7 Ways to Win, and then you get the Heal VIP, which gets you to 6 steps to 6 figures. Those 3 products, if you go through them repeatedly, you will have the correct mindset. It's not just about getting pumped up. It's just about looking at things realistically. If you have 100 people lined up in a row and you ask a yes or no question, I don't care what the question is, you're going to get a certain percentage of yeses and you're going to get a certain percentage of no's. The mindset factor will keep you going through the 100 people, if that makes sense. So what happens in affiliate marketing, take that same analogy, 100 people lined up, and you have a yes or no question. What happens with most people is they'll get to the first person, no. The second person, no. The third person, no. Then they'll quit. Because their mindset sucks. You work on your mindset enough, you get through the first 10 people, maybe you get 10 no's. 11 person will say yes. All right, I got a yes. 12 through 20 will say no. 21, 22, and 23 will all say yes. And then you just keep going through the whole 100 people, and by the end, you'll have 15 to 20 yeses. And that is basically what we do as affiliate marketers. We go through, we present a product, and we get a number of people to look at that product, and a certain amount of people will end up buying that product, earning us a commission. And if we have the correct mindset, we'll just keep that in mind and just keep plowing through the numbers. But people with sucky mindsets will go through 5, 10, 15 people, oh, this sucks, this not, and quit before they have their breakthrough. Just like in my case. If I'd have quit in 2011, I started 2010. I didn't have my breakout year till 2015. So if I would have quit in 2010, if I would have quit in 2011, 2012, 2014, even early 2015, if I would have quit, I would have never had my breakout year. And I wouldn't have been doing this for the past 6 years, online, full time. So that being said, the mindset, it's key. A lot of people say, oh, you got to think positive and stuff. It's not necessarily thinking positive. It's just about getting realistic information and thinking about this logically for what it is. It's you have something that you're an affiliate for, that whenever you sell, you make money. However, you have to have the right mindset to be able to just keep presenting whatever it is you're selling long enough to go through that number so you can find your numbers. And that's why I highly recommend Bulletproof, 7 Ways to Win, and the 6 steps to 6 figures. all within the heal category, and that's the 7th day. You will always work on mindset. Whenever I start feeling a little off, I'll go back through these products. I'll listen to them over and over again, repeatedly, if I need to, just enough to get me going in the right direction again. And then once I'm going, boom, I'm back taking action, and it's just that simple. So that being said, wrapping this video up, underneath I'm going to include a link to my own personal heal sales funnel. You'll probably be promoting Bulletproof underneath this video, so click it, go through it, check it out. And if you're getting this in an email, the link will be underneath this video on whatever website I have this video on. And just check it out. Go through it. That being said, wrapping this video up, we will see you in the next one.